Anybody who's been watching this channel for a little while knows that we just got us some kayaks this past summer, and I got the Pelican Trailblazer 100, the farthest one from me there, and then we got that blue one, the Argo 100, for my wife, and then my daughter decided she had to have one, so we got another Pelican Trailblazer, and she picked this coral colored one. So now we have 3 kayaks, and it's taken up a good portion of our covered deck area here. So it's time to build a kayak rack. Alright, for this rack I'll be using PVC pipe. Sebastian is here to help me out if I need any help. I talked to Pelican about what they recommend for storage options for the kayaks, and they said that they recommend, because of the type of polyethylene that they use, has memory capacity, to store them right side up on a flat surface. Alright, and the last step is, of course, optional. If you want to have a cover from the weather, sun mostly, so your plastic doesn't get faded. Anyway, also keep rain off of it, in case you don't want your kayak to get wet in the rain. got it hooked over there in the middle and on this end over here. Ready for inclement weather. And I bolted the last piece of that 3-inch PVC that I had left over to the bottom just to keep it down in the wind. Alright, so there you have it. A do-it-yourself, fairly inexpensive kayak rack. And the only thing we had left over is one 5-foot piece of 2-inch kayak, or 2-inch kayak, 2-inch. Do-it-yourself, fairly inexpensive. And the only thing left over is one 5-foot piece of 2-inch PVC. Cut.